benefits and design of outdoor kitchens. Welcome back to Food and Fire Outdoor Living, the podcast where we explore the joy of cooking, entertaining, and living life outdoors. I'm Michael, and today we're diving into one of my favorite topics: why an outdoor kitchen isn't just a luxury, but a lifestyle upgrade. The benefits of outdoor kitchens. Imagine a warm evening in the back garden. Friends are gathered, the smell of wood-fired pizza drifts through the air, and laughter fills the space as you cook right where the action is. That's the magic of outdoor cooking. It keeps you connected. No more disappearing into the house while everyone else enjoys themselves. Cooking outdoors also unlocks flavors you simply can't replicate indoors. The smoky depth of a barbecue, the crisp crust of a stone-baked pizza, the freshness of grilled vegetables, all of it feels more vibrant. And it's not just about taste. Outdoor cooking often means lighter, healthier meals, with less oil and more natural flavor. A well-designed outdoor kitchen is more than a cooking space. It's an entertainment hub, a place where family and friends gather, celebrate, and make memories. It's an investment that enhances your home and your lifestyle. Designing the perfect outdoor kitchen. Of course, the benefits only shine when the design is right. For me, design is about functionality, flow, and flair. Functionality means having everything you need at hand. Worktops for preparation, storage for utensils and spices, and appliances that suit your style of cooking, whether that's a built-in barbecue, a pizza oven, or even a fridge and sink to make the space fully self-contained. Flow is about how the kitchen works as a whole. The cooking zone should sit at the heart of the layout, with prep areas close by and serving spaces positioned so guests can chat while you cook. Lighting and shelter are essential too, ensuring the kitchen works day and night, in all seasons. And then there's flair, the personality of the space. Materials like stone, timber, or steel can be chosen to reflect the character of your garden. The style might lean towards rustic Yorkshire charm or sleek modern minimalism, but it should always feel like an extension of your home. Adding herbs nearby brings both beauty and flavor. A well-designed outdoor kitchen isn't just practical. It's a statement. It says, this is where we gather, this is where we celebrate, this is where life happens. Closing thoughts. So, if you've ever thought about expanding your living space, think beyond the walls of your home. An outdoor kitchen isn't just a place to cook, it's a place to live. Thanks for joining me today on Food and Fire Outdoor Living. In future episodes, we'll explore design tips, recipes, and stories to spark your imagination. Until then, keep the fire burning and the food flowing.